Hi, and welcome to this introduction and tutorial for the permission schemes in TermWeb 4 for administrators. So what we see in front of us here is an overview of permission schemes that exist in our client. All clients start off having a default permission scheme, and you can create your own permission schemes by clicking the Add Permission Scheme button. This will open up a window showing all the available functionalities that you can enable or restrict to your users. The normal user groups that always exist in your client are all users, which are all users that are not guests. Guest accounts also exist if in case you have enabled the read-only concurrent guest accounts. When you create a permission scheme and type the name in the description, you can go ahead and save this, and you can see your new permission scheme in the permission scheme list. If a dictionary does not have any assigned permission scheme, per default, it will use the default permission scheme. So it's a good tip to go ahead and restrict the access to your default permission scheme so that users don't have access to dictionaries that you newly import, for example. If you wish to assign a permission scheme to a dictionary or a section, click on Edit Scheme Assignments and then Add. You'll have your list of dictionaries in the left bar here, clicking on a dictionary or section, and then clicking on which permission scheme you wish to assign, and clicking Save will update the list to show that this section has now been assigned to the sample permission scheme. Lock languages is to restrict the editing functionality for different languages. A user that does not have access to a certain language won't be able to add terms or edit that language. To use locked languages, you need to select languages in the All Users category first to deny or restrict access to all languages to all users. If you do not do this, then the user will still be able to edit languages because they belong to all users. Then find the group that you wish to assign or restrict languages to, and then you can select a number of languages in that group. To select multiple languages, you can click on a language and then shift click on another language to select all languages between that. You can also hold Control and left click to enable or disable a single language. When you're done, click Apply Changes, and you should receive a window showing that these changes have been done. So in this case, any user that belongs to the sample group will only be able to add or edit terms in English. You can assign different locked languages for each of your dictionaries by going up to the dictionary list and choosing each dictionary individually. This has been an introduction to permission schemes and locked languages in TermWeb 4.